precisely receivers in this example. For instance, we have this building, and in this building I want to put a receiver here, also here, but sometimes it's not very straightforward. It's not very easy because I need to put all the floors and then maybe to modify the heights and check again the 3D special. So for that, what we are going to do is more or less the same we did with the area sources, but with the receivers. So let's select this building option. Then in the layout, what we only need to do is to select the receiver button and then to put whatever I want. For instance, here, here, maybe here, and the entry, for instance, the entry door. So you see, it's very easy to put. Like I see here the result. You see, I have all my receivers, and of course I can check directly by double clicking which levels and also partial levels are attached to each receiver, each calculation. So it's another way to put receivers. The characteristics of receivers are just the same that before. There are point receivers that are put kind of 5 centimeters far away from the walls, but also I can change this feature. So this is not really building noise map receivers, but point receivers put everywhere I want in a very precise way. So we have seen how to put roofs, how to put bit textures, how to put noise sources, how to deal with different positions of receivers. Just to finish, we can check how to display building, because if you think on putting a lot of bitmap texture, if we have a 4.2, the only way to present these results is what I'm going to show you right now. We go to the 3D special. We have some buildings with building noise map results, and if we go to the 3D special, regular layout you may know from the past. So you see, we cannot see any bitmap attached to the buildings because of the layout. You see the regular rectangular layout. And then this is a small problem. So that's why we have implemented a new way to display the building noise map receivers. If we go to properties, you will see here a new option which is called building noise map. Now it's set to rectangle, which is the regular one, but if we go to octagon and sphere, we can change the way to show building noise maps. We go to octagon, and then you see small plain octagons put along all the building, and we can change also to sphere, which is my preferred, because it is a 3D visual for the building noise maps. As you see, this is more or less the same way to show the regular receivers, point receivers, but with the adding of the color depending on the palette we selected. So this is also very straightforward to show to customers, and it's very also it's easier if you want to allocate a building noise map receiver. You can edit the heights of the floor and also all the stories. In rectangular is very difficult because you have put just a vertical noise map on the facades, and now we can adapt this just to put maybe this receiver far below, a bit below, and then this one and this one. And still it's very nice to see in conjunction with building bitmaps attached to buildings. Of course, just to finish, we have seen different features here. They are very straightforward and also very useful, not only for visuals but also for editing complex industries with noise sources, etc. But don't forget that this is a technical example, let's say, but also we may think new utilities to show results to customers. And even more if the customers comes from the administration, just like councils or governments, or when doing noise planning in cities. So I will show you this example was just made, let's say, for fun, but you see how accurate and how good can be a layout. This is an example of meaning with some buildings. It's just the Opera Square, and if we go to this special, we will see the same results more or less than we see before, but you know, with very accurate 3D visuals for the buildings. So you see here some bitmaps, also same receivers we put here directly in the facade, also some building noise maps, and you see the visual is very nice. If we have all the pictures and the facades, we can be very accurate. This example comes from that the buildings are made with the complex shapes. It's not affecting the calculation, but it's not the same that we are used to work or to draw. And you see each one has its own facade. So it's a hard job. You do want to put all the facades here, but for small things, small or even some examples, some important small things in a bigger project, it's very nice to show. Then if we select any of these buildings, you can see in the edit facade, you can see how I designed. But this is not the important thing. The important thing is just to we are still able to draw any bitmap, as here we can put some receivers directly in the windows and not in something somewhere near, but just in the right places. You see here the receivers in the right place. Okay, for yes, we can switch to the PowerPoint. That was just just to show you the list of things I was planning to show. So what we have seen today in this small web seminar is just how to model roofs in a different way than we used to do before. Yes, body count calculations. How to edit facade with bitmaps. You see it's with the new bitmap edit facade menu is very straightforward to do. Also in the same view, how to edit roofs with bitmap textures, just for to have the complete visual layout and realistic building. Then technical technical points, how to model emission sources directly in the facades, as well as put receiver points in facades. And finally, we went through the new displays of building noise map receivers. Of course, this is not only the, the points in the 4.3. We have more new features. I would say there are important, but it depends on you guys, on the guidelines you are using, because there is a lot of guideline, small things, guideline stuff. So you can check all new features in the release notes we have in our web page. And of course, if you have any questions about the new things you can do, do not hesitate to call us or just to write down at the hotline at acoustic.com. We can help you. Of course, if you are under software maintenance, I would ask you to update your version now and start working with these exciting new features. And finally, if you don't and you would like to check how it looks like and how does it work, you can always download the demo version at acoustic.com. So for regarding me, this is what I expected to show you. I would like to thank you for your attention in this web seminar. Of course, new web seminars will come in the next dates, not only for 4.3, but also for many things. So I will be in charge of that, and I hope to see you very soon. And now I would open, if you want, what we can do is just to open a slot, time window for questions and answers. So I would like that you use the questions and answer bot. So I will read the question and I will answer to everybody by audio. If you have further questions, difficult questions, okay, I can try to answer, but if not, I will answer by the hotline. Okay. So thank you everybody, and I hope you enjoyed this seminar. I hope you to be in touch with you, and yeah, I hope you enjoy the 4.3 version. So goodbye, and if you have any questions, I